Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting open-top supercars of the year of the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS. This masterpiece is not just about speed, it's about combining raw power, luxury, and a thrilling driving experience, all packed into an exquisite Italian design. If you're a fan of high-performance convertibles, this is one car you won't want to miss. Ferrari has always been known for pushing the limits of performance, and the 812 GTS is no exception. Under the hood, it boasts a monstrous 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, delivering an astonishing 830 horsepower and 510 pounds-feet of torque. This powertrain allows the 812 GTS to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest open-top Ferraris ever produced. The top speed, a breathtaking 211 miles per hour, ensuring that this car isn't just about looking good it's about serious performance. One of the key highlights of the 812 GTS is its retractable hardtop, which can be lowered in just 14 seconds at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Unlike many other convertibles, Ferrari has ensured that the structural integrity and aerodynamics remain uncompromised, so you get the full performance potential whether the roof is up or down. Plus, the exhaust note from that V12 is something to behold. It's pure symphony, and driving with the top down only enhances the experience. The exterior of the 812 GTS retains Ferrari's signature aggressive yet elegant design. The long sculpted hood, wide stance, and aerodynamic lines make it a head-turner from every angle. Large air intakes and a functional rear diffuser not only add to its aesthetics but also improve cooling and downforce, ensuring maximum stability at high speeds. The redesigned rear end features quad exhausts and an integrated spoiler, further enhancing its race-inspired look. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and a driver-focused layout make it clear that this car is designed for those who appreciate both speed and comfort. The digital instrument cluster and infotainment system provide all the essential data and controls at your fingertips, while the ergonomic seats offer exceptional support for both spirited driving and long journeys. Handling is another area where the 812 GTS excels. Thanks to Ferrari's advanced aerodynamics, rear-wheel steering, and an ultra-responsive 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, every turn feels precise and exhilarating. The car's weight distribution, adaptive suspension, and electronic stability controls make sure you get maximum grip and confidence, whether you're attacking tight corners or cruising on an open highway. Owning a Ferrari is about more than just driving, it's about being part of a legacy. The 812 GTS continues the brand's tradition of producing high-revving, naturally aspirated V12 Grand Tours, a formula that has become increasingly rare in today's turbocharged world. With limited production and an unmistakable presence on the road, this Ferrari is destined to be a collector's dream. So, what do you think of the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS? Is it the ultimate open-top supercar? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.